Two edits, same image. One uses an AI style and the other uses a personal AI profile. Both look good, but only one actually matches your style. So which one should you be using? Quick answer. Here's the simplest way to think about it. AI styles are fast, ready to use editing styles. Personal AI profiles are edits that match you. If you're just getting started, AI styles are the easiest way to begin. But if you already have a defined editing style, professional AI profiles are where things start to get really powerful. Let's start with AI styles. AI styles are pre-built editing profiles created by professional photographers. They're designed to give your images a polished, consistent style instantly. You simply pick a style, apply it, and Aftershoot edits your images in minutes. There's no setup, no training, just quick, professional results. And since they're adaptive, they adjust to different lighting conditions, not just apply the same settings across every image. AI styles are perfect when you want speed and simplicity. If you're new to Aftershoot, they're the fastest way to get started. They're also great when you want consistent results without spending time setting things up. You can use them to experiment with different looks as well and refine them further using tools like compare profiles and adjust profile to better match your preferences or when you need to deliver images quickly. They're especially useful when a client wants a specific aesthetic. You can just choose a style that fits it and apply it instantly. Now let's talk about professional AI profiles. A professional AI profile is trained on your edits. You upload your past work and Aftershoot learns how you edit, not just the final look, but the decisions behind it. It understands how you adjust exposure, color, contrast, and how you handle different lighting situations. Why it matters. Both AI styles and professional AI profiles are powerful, but they serve different purposes. AI styles give you a strong, consistent starting point with a defined aesthetic. Professional AI profiles go a step further by learning your specific editing patterns, how you handle backlit shots, how you adjust skin tones, how you balance exposure across an entire shoot. So instead of just applying a style, it adapts based on how you would edit each scene. The result is a completely different level of consistency. You're not just getting edits that look good, you're getting edits that reflect how you would edit them. Your work stays consistent, personal, and recognizable across every shoot. So when should you create your own professional AI profile? When you have a consistent editing style, when you've edited a good volume of images, and when you want to scale your workflow without losing that style. This becomes especially powerful for repeat work like weddings, events, and sessions with similar lighting conditions. Now here's what most photographers actually do. They don't choose one, they use both. Professional AI profiles for their core work and AI styles for experimentation or one-off projects. This gives you the best of both worlds, consistency where it matters and flexibility when you need it. If you're in your early journey, start with AI styles. If you already have a signature look, build a personal AI profile. That's really all you need to know. If you haven't tried it yet, start with AI styles. And when you're ready, train your own professional AI profile. Because once you do, editing stops feeling like a task and starts feeling automatic.